Veteran striker Thamsanqa Gabuza has found a new home with Amatex in the Mozep Foundation Championship after being a free agent for over a year. The 37-year-old forward last played for TS Galaxy, departing the club in January 2024 after a brief stint. Gabuza brings a wealth of experience to Amatex, having previously showcased his talents at top-flight clubs such as SuperSport United and Orlando Pirates. During his 4 years at SuperSport United, including 2 under coach Gavin Hunt, Gabuza made 118 appearances, scoring 22 goals and providing 7 assists. At Orlando Pirates, he netted 11 goals in 95 appearances, further solidifying his reputation as a reliable striker. Amatex officially unveiled Gabuza on Saturday, signaling their intent to strengthen their squad as they push for a higher finish in the championship. Currently 8th on the table with 20 points from 14 matches, Amatex will look to Gabuza to add firepower to their attack. The seasoned striker is poised to make his debut on Sunday in a crucial clash against Melford, who occupy 4th place with 24 points. With both teams eyeing valuable points, Gabuza inclusion could prove to be a game-changer for Amatex. Fans will be eager to see if the experienced forward can reignite his scoring form and help propel his new team to greater heights. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.